kanji that we learn today is they call the kanji like naga. Are you seeing here? We have the kanji like this, and this kanji have the ongyumi reading and the kungyumi reading. Are you seeing here? For the ongyumi reading, they say like ju, and the kungyumi reading can be like naga, uchi, atari. One more again, naga, uchi, atari. That means the kungyumi reading is from original Japanese style, but the ongyumi reading is from original Chinese style, because in the past Japanese take the kanji from the China, so they have the Chinese original style and they call ongyumi reading, and for the kungyumi reading is from the original Japanese style. But in Japanese style we have three styles, as you see here: naga, uchi, atari. So every time you learn about Japanese, you should remember the reading pronunciation, such as ongyumi reading and kungyumi reading, that you can understand when you read the magazine. And not also that, but you have to remember about the kanji meaning. This kanji had a meaning that inside, middle, mean, or center. So they write many things in here. So, but what you have to remember, just remember that they had a meaning that center or in the middle. So everything we talk about the center or in the middle or something, they will use the kanji of naga or chu. So let's learn about how to use this kanji. In here we have the word like this: chūshin. Chūshin is mean center or heart. In here we have the kanji naga and the kanji of kokoro. Kokoro is mean the heart, but we use with naga is mean inside or middle. So middle, the heart, that mean center or the center of something. For example, if you want to say like the center part of Tokyo, you can say Tokyo no chūshinbu. Chūshinbu is mean center part. So you can say Tokyo no chūshinbu is mean the center part of Tokyo. Tokyo no chūshinbu wa doko desu ka? Which means where is the center part of Tokyo? The next, they use the kanji like with the word like chūgakko. Chūgakko is mean middle school or secondary school. Chu is mean in the middle, right? Or in middle or in the center, right? Gakko is mean chūgakko is mean that you learn about in the middle, not start and not end, but in the middle, so you can say chūgakko. So in this case, like they say middle school, and you can use this like the first we start by the primary school, right? The primary school Japanese they call shogakko. After you finish shogakko, you can go to chūgakko. Chūgakko is mean middle school, and after you finish chūgakko, you can go koko. Koko is mean higher school. So this is about the, you can use the word or the kanji naga to with another kanji. Jushi. Jushi is mean suspension. In here we have the kanji like ju or naka. After the kanji that we have the kanji like tomari, right? Tomari is mean stop, but we use with the kanji in the middle. This means stop in the middle or stop in the center or something. So when you stop like that, you can say like suspension. So jushi, this means you do something but not finished yet, but you stop in the middle. For example, you have the meeting but you just do not finished yet, something happened and you stop, so you can say jushi. This means suspension. Suiju is mean underwater. The kanji sui is mean water, and you use the kanji water with the naka is mean inside the water, so you can say underwater, suiju. And the next we can say like jugo is mean use. That means something is you use. This kanji is mean ju. Ko is mean from kanji that's furui. Furui is mean something on. But just in the middle or something on is mean that something that is used. For example, you can say the second car or second hand. Second car is mean the car that already used, but sometimes they also sell that car too. So you can say the used car, they can say jukosha, or you can say with personal computer like own PC or second-hand PC. You can say like juko PC. Juko PC is mean the second-hand PC or the second-hand personal computer, juko PC, or the computer that they already used, so you can say like juko PC. Shuju is mean concentration or focus. For example, you focus for something, you can say shuju shitemasu. For example, I concentrate about learning Japanese in this way. This means nihongo no benkyou ni shuju shitemasu. Nihongo no benkyou o shuju shimasu. This means you concentrate about learning Japanese only. And this kanji shu, the kanji of shu is mean from the kanji of atsumeru. Atsumeru is mean you correct something, and ju is mean the center, so this means you correct something to the center. So when you put these two kanji together, that mean concentration or focus on something. Jugoku is mean China. Ju is mean the center, but koku is mean country. So when you put this kanji together, they say Jugoku. Jugoku is mean China. Naka. If you read the kanji only, you can say naka. Naka is mean inside, in, among, within, center, middle, during, why. For example, you're doing something or something is in the middle, you can use naka. Nakami is mean contents. Nakami. For example, some people take something forward to you, for example, but you don't know what is in the box. That's nakami. Nakami is mean something in the box or something in the something that have the worm. So you can say nakami wa nan desu ka? What is inside? What is inside of the box? Nakami wa nan desu ka? What is inside? Mannaka. Mannaka is mean middle or in the middle. For example, we have three people, but in the middle people, so they call Mannaka. For example, you want to say who is in the center? Who is in the center between Mr. A and Mr. B? You can say Mannaka no hito wa dare desu ka? Mannaka no hito wa dare desu ka? Which means who is in the center. Yonaka. Yonaka is mean midnight. Yo is mean from the kanji this yoru, right? Or it's mean something. The kanji yoru is mean something at the night, but naka is mean window, so it's mean window in the night, in the midnight. So they can say midnight. Yonaka is mean 12 o'clock in the midnight. Yonaka. Here we say senaka. Senaka is mean back. So when we say sena, se is mean back, something is at the back. Naka is mean the center. So we can say the back, something in the center of the back, so they call senaka.